No one obviously knows this about me, but I absolutely love wind, and it is blowing so hard right now. There is a ginormous rainstorm coming. Okay, I know wind makes a terrible sound in the camera, but it's just so cool. Look at that black beauty. Clouds are just the most magnificent thing to me. And there's all these like little seeds from the flowers blowing. Jeez, that's a terrible sound. Look at the flurry. Look at that guy. Gosh, she's so intimidating. You can't even see the mountains, it's raining so hard. Like, that's just it's just great to me. I was gonna come out and read, but I might. This is really fun. And I never thought to wear sunglasses while it rains because it keeps it out of your eyes. I kind of felt like I looked ridiculous, but this is such a show. The lightning is just spectacular. It's got like that purple. I'm just like, if I get struck by lightning, That was really awesome. I just don't feel like eating anything. I could have some chips, rice and beans. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have cheese and grapes. It's my favorite snack. Lighting in this little cabin is really bad. Yeah, so I'm writing a book. It's about myself that I'm just gonna finish when I'm like 40. Saving myself some time. So at times I feel like I'm just sitting here alone in Shippensville, Pennsylvania by myself. But I am sitting by myself. But I just have to keep reminding myself that I'm doing this for myself when I'm 40. Going through all of the really hard stages in my life now. And also starting this vlog. I have started some on Instagram, but I don't know. Social media is just it's not predictable, it's not nice, it's not a lot of things, but it entertains people and it's given a lot of people jobs. Not that I'm trying to get a job. I think I want to watch some Netflix, although they don't have Wi-Fi here, which is fun. Honestly, wait, let me get into the better lighting. With my cheese plates, I'll just call them cheese plates. So, do you remember the scene in Ratatouille when he gives his brother a strawberry and cheese? So every time I have grapes and cheese, I envision myself doing exactly what the little rat, what's his name? I can't remember. I envision myself doing exactly what he tells his brother to do. So like, you take a bite of cheese, close your eyes, let the flavors dance around you, and take a bite of that, and then you put them together. And there's a rainbow, sparkles, and sunshine and all kinds of stuff. So good. Yeah. Now we're just gonna chill.